Autoalert tool. In the order request menu you have the option Favorite Products. When you add a favorite product you have three options: Auto Buy, Auto Alert and Off. In this movie we explain you the Auto Alert function. When this option is selected, your system will inform you automatically when the product you need is available in your marketplace, matching all your specifications. To add an auto alert, click on Add in Favorite Products. Select the type Auto Alert and fill in all specifications for the Auto Alert product. The batch will start running every 15 minutes as from the starting time. When one of your selected vendors' inventory matches all the specifications as set in your auto alert, the system will inform you only once. After your alert, you can decide to purchase the product as normally in your own marketplace. Your auto alert batch stops running at the time as set in your closing time orders in the maintenance page. Auto alert. Favorite products. Click on Add in Favorite Products. Now select through all the filters the product you would like to add or type in the variety name in variety. In this case I type in Akito. I would like to add an auto alert for rose large flowered Akito 40 cm bunched at 25 stems per bunch. When I click on the variety, a new screen on the right side will open. The first option is to select your type. In this example we're going to create an auto alert. The next option is to select the growers or your vendors for this particular auto alert. You can select each vendor particular, or you can use the Select All button. Now you can decide the box type for each of your vendors you would like to receive the auto alert for. I keep it at a half box for all my vendors. The next option is to select a start and the end date. In my example we're going to start March 1st and the end date will be next year, March 1st. The next option is to select the packing days at the farm. So those are not shipping days but the packing days in the farm. This auto alert I would like to run every Tuesday and every Saturday from the farm packing days. The next option is to choose my starting time, which is the hours before the closing time of each farm. By default it says 3 hours, which means that, for example, when Colombian growers close their sales at 12 o'clock, the batch will start running at Colombian growers at 9 o'clock in the morning. For example, when demo growers close their sales at 10 o'clock, it starts running already at 7 o'clock in the morning. To give all my growers the same possibility to offer this auto alert, I will create it at 8 hours before the closing time of each farm. Now I have the option to activate a holiday schedule, and I can double the number of the boxes during a specific start and end date and different packing days. And I have to fill in the unit price. Let's say I put in 30 cents price including transport, which means this is 30 cents landed to my door. The system calculates through all my transport rules as set in Setup Transportation in the maintenance page and will show each of my vendors a different price FOB at the farm. When you would like to offer all your growers the same price, let's say 20 cents FOB farm, you deactivate the price including transport. In this case it means all the growers will receive a price of 20 cents FOB at the farm. I would like to make it 30 cents landed to my door, which means the price is including transport. The last option we have to fill in is the minimum and maximum number of stamps. Let's say we need at least 500 stamps and we can use up to 2500 stamps, which is in this case equal to at least 2 boxes up to 6 boxes. The moment I click on Save, we return to the main screen. Now the system will start running as from March 1st, 2011 until March 1st, 2012 every Tuesday and every Saturday. When you click on Edit, you can see all the specs again, and it means at 8 hours before the closing time of each farm, the system will start looking for inventory for this rose large flowered Akito 40 cm at 25 stems at a bunch for a price of 30 cents landed to my door or less. The first vendor puts his offer in his marketplace, the system will send you an alert. If other vendors after that time will put again their inventory in the system and meeting your specifications, the system won't send you an alert anymore. It sends only once an alert for the first vendor putting the inventory in the system. If the system doesn't detect any product in the system, it will close automatically as the time as set in maintenance updates your info at closing time orders. When you say, for example, on Tuesday at 10 o'clock, even if the closing time has not been finished, the system will start running this batch at 10 o'clock your time zone, in this case New York. If you put it on off, it means that the auto alert will never run for this particular day. So in this case we put it here at 12 o'clock as well. This is how the auto alert works.